we'll be constructing an equilateral triangle given the perimeter. So the first thing we're going to draw is a horizontal line using our T-square and pencil, or a ruler and a pencil if you don't have a T-square. So we draw a line longer than the perimeter. So we're going to measure the given perimeter now, which is 11 centimeters. So we are given 11 centimeters, and we are required to construct a equilateral triangle given the perimeter. So we label here A and we label here B. Then we're going to draw a line from A, any angle, any length going south. Then we're going to get a ruler and our compass and pencil. And we're going to open the compass to 2 centimeters as shown. Then we're going to put the compass point at A, and we're going to mark a radius 2 centimeters where the arc intersects the line that we draw at an angle. We're going to put the compass here, mark another arc radius 2 centimeters where that arc intersects the line. We're going to mark another arc 2 centimeters. So we have 3 arcs drawn with the same radius of 2 centimeters. We're going to label the arcs now. 1, 2, 3. We're going to use our ruler and pencil. We're going to join 3 to B. And after we do this now, we want a parallel line 3B from 2 and 1. So what we're going to do, we're going to use our compass to mark an arc. Any radius, but about 12 millimeters would be a good radius. So we don't have to measure the radius. Any radius will work. We're going to mark the arc to intersect the line that we drew at an angle and 3B. We're going to use the same radius and put it at 2 and mark an arc. Then we're going to put it at 1. And the same radius that we use at point 3, we're going to mark an arc. Then we're going to extend the arc so that the arc is long enough. So we're going to put the compass at the first arc, where the first arc intersect the line that we drew at an angle. We're going to mark an arc. We're going to put the compass at 2, mark an arc. Put the compass at 1, mark an arc to intersect the arc which you drew at center 1. Then we're going to use our ruler and pencil to draw a line from 2 through the intersection to intersect the line AB. Then we're going to put the compass at the intersection there of the 2 arcs and point 1 and extend the line to intersect the baseline AB. We're going to, where these 2 lines intersect the line AB, we're going to label them C and D. Compass point at C, radius A, we're going to mark an arc. Compass point at D, radius B, we're going to mark an arc to intersect the arc which you drew from center C. Where the 2 arcs intersect, we're going to label this point E. Then we're going to use our ruler and pencil to join D to E and E to C. This would be our equilateral triangle given the perimeter. So we're going to darken the base C to D. All right. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to label the drawing. So we're going to get our T-square. Or if you don't have a T-square, you can use a regular ruler. So we get our T-square. We draw a line. Then we're going to draw another line about 4 millimeters apart. These will be guidelines so that we can label the drawing. So 4 millimeters apart. We move the T-square out of the way and then we're going to label. To construct a triangle given the perimeter. So good job if you followed along. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of an equilateral triangle given the perimeter. In the next video, we'll be dividing a given line into a given ratio. For example, divide the line AB in the ratio 2, 3, 4. And we'll be using our geometry set instruments to accomplish this task. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite math channel, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until then. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.